Hello everyone, I am Professor Samuel Johnson, the Assistant Director for Center for Teaching Learning at VIT AP University. We welcome you to this video talk, and in today's lecture I would like to cover on various online collaborative whiteboards. I repeat, online collaborative whiteboards. There are so many. As we are working remotely, organizations working remotely, universities are working remotely, we at CTL, Center for Teaching and Learning, we have come out with some of the most used ones. I'll tell them overview in detail, and in the future videos we'll also explain one-on-one with demonstration. As of now, you might have heard about Google's Jamboard, Miro, Stormboard, and then Lucid Chart, Whiteboard, Groupboard, so many tools like this. And I've been using them extensively in online classes, especially the Jamboard, Stormboard, Whiteboard.fi, where you can see how many students are collaboratively working at the same time, be it a project discussion, brainstorming, solving the problem. And as a teacher, you can store and save all this in PDF. You can put this for your entire gamification or class participation, and I'm sure these tools will be very useful to you. So this is a overall comprehensive talk by CTL. If you like this video and if you find it very useful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with as many teachers as possible. Together, let's make digital learning the most useful one. Thank you.